Now I will teach you how to identify nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots will be a real and equal. Second, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots will be a real and unequal. And third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots will not real. So in this way you can get nature of roots. Once again I am repeating the steps. If value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots will be real and equal. Second, if b square minus 4ac, this value is greater than 0, means if you are getting this value as positive value, okay, then roots will be real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means if you are getting value of b square minus 4ac as a negative value, then roots will be not real. So in this way you can get nature of roots. Now one problem is written by me on the board to get value of discriminant. So question is like this, quadratic equation which is written by me is like this: x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. You have to compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing with general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to negative 1. So what is discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to value of b is 7. 7 square minus 4 into a 1 into c negative 1. So square of 7 is 49. Negative into negative positive 4. So that is equal to 53. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 53. This is nothing but delta. Discriminant is known as delta. So value of delta is equal to 53. In this case you are getting value of discriminant 53, okay, means delta is greater than 0. Therefore in this case roots will be a real and unequal. Okay, delta is getting positive value 53, means value of delta is greater than 0, means roots will be, therefore roots of given quadratic equation will be real and unequal, real and unequal. In this way you can calculate the value of the discriminant and can tell nature of roots. Thank you.